China out!
Out, out, China out! Out, out, China out! We want human rights! Human rights in Tibet!
Human rights have come to be celebrated by everyone, all nations, all people, all countries. But after 60 years, the Tibetan people have no human rights. Tibet remains one of the most oppressed places on earth. More than 700,000 people worldwide have expressed their support and taken a pledge to stand up for Tibet. All of their names have been written on these prayer flags that we can see right now. So today we're here to pay respect to all those Tibetans who are struggling for human rights in Tibet, and all those who have given their lives, all those who are in prison, and at the same time, we want to send a prayer through these prayer flags that before long, the Tibetan people too may enjoy human rights.
The world knows that there's a crisis in Tibet, and we just need to keep the momentum going through December 10th to our next big opportunity on March 10th, 2012.